reigning world champion Joan Mir and championship leader Fabio Quartararo seem to be the main protagonists for this year's World Championship, but we cannot discount the Ducati of Johan Zarco and Pecco Bagnaia. And here we go. Joan Mir has started a war of words for his title rival. Fabio Quartararo, who is sitting pretty at the top of the standings with 47 points lead over Pecco Bagnaia and Joan Mir. Here is Joan Mir, who has started this war of words. With 7 rounds and 175 maximum points available, I think it is a bit late from Joan Mir. But Joan Mir has given his statement that all the other riders also have the chance to win this year's World Championship, and it won't be easy for Fabio to run away with this championship. In addition to this, Quartararo also has hit back with his own opinion. As stated by Autosport, Joan Mir went on to say that, well, Fabio, now I think we'll start a different championship. I think in next 3 races we will start to see a different championship. He went on to add that even if he has a considerable distance, now I think the pressure will start every race to be higher. It's always difficult for a rider to manage that pressure. Also, Mir added by saying that Quartararo has all the responsibility of Yamaha on his shoulder after Vinales' departure. He added, also probably all the pressure of Yamaha now is against him, and this is something last year that was not like this. He is doing really well, but for sure now the pressure is much higher, so let's see, he added. But Quartararo refuted by stating that it was a strategy from Mir to put a pressure on him, and insisted that it hasn't worked on. For this, Quartararo said, that makes no change for me. That race, I had all the weight of Yamaha on my shoulder and it didn't change nothing in the race. So I think that's a small strategy to try to put pressure on me. But it's not affecting me, and I think it's a very funny game, but I will be there to fight for the victory at Silverstone, Fabio Quartararo added. Well, mind games are the part of game. In this highest form of sports, you always want to win, and in order to win, you put everything. Mind games are just a tip of an iceberg, and for a viewer, you want that rivalries to rise and rise. Mir and Quartararo are the main protagonists of this year, and they will be in the future too. It's great that new generation is taking over from the legends, and it's always nice to have rivalry which is always igniting the sport and always affecting this wonderful sport. Having said all this, only future will tell whether this mind game will affect Fabio Quartararo, but you never know what future holds. I still think Fabio Quartararo will win this championship because he has this wonderful lead of 47 points, but you never know with future. I think having said all this, the time is up for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please pass me an honest opinion about this video. And as ever, thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel.